Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert-level insights. Today, I'm reviewing a product that has caught the attention of many in the skincare world, the Innisfree Retinol Cica Serum with Salicylic Acid. If you've been curious about adding retinol into your routine, but feel hesitant because you're new to it, this might be just what you've been waiting for. It's a gentle yet effective formula designed for all skin types, including those prone to acne or sensitive to stronger retinol treatments. Let's take a deeper dive into what makes this product stand out. This serum combines the power of retinol with soothing cica, a powerhouse ingredient in Korean skincare that's known for calming inflammation. And with the addition of salicylic acid, it targets blemishes and helps keep pores clear, making this a multitasking product that balances both hydration and acne-fighting properties. The water-based formula is a key selling point here, especially for those of us who have sensitive or combination skin. It delivers moisture without leaving a greasy residue, which is often a concern with more potent retinol serums. It's also fragrance-free, so it's ideal for those who prefer skincare without unnecessary scents. Now, when I tested this out, I really appreciated how smoothly it absorbed into my skin. It didn't feel heavy or sticky, which was a pleasant surprise. After a couple of weeks of use, my skin definitely looked smoother and felt more balanced. I could see it helping to calm any redness around areas where I tend to get acne, like my chin and jawline. It wasn't too harsh either, so for someone who's just starting out with retinol, this is a fantastic option. One thing I should mention, retinol can be drying for some people, and while this formula is more hydrating than others, it's still a good idea to pair it with a nourishing moisturizer. During my trial, I found that it worked best when used in the evening, right before bed, after cleansing, and before moisturizing. If you have acne-prone skin like me, this can be a game changer in your routine because it addresses multiple concerns at once: texture, hydration, and breakouts. When we look at the pros and cons of the Innisfree Retinol Cica Serum, the pros are pretty clear. It's gentle enough for beginners, balances hydration with acne-fighting ingredients, and provides that soothing, calming effect that Cica is so well known for. Plus, the packaging is sleek and practical. No fuss, just a pump dispenser to avoid contamination. On the flip side, if you have very dry skin, you may want to ensure you're layering a heavy-duty moisturizer over this, because although the serum hydrates, retinol can still be drying for certain skin types, especially in the beginning stages of use. In terms of value for money, I'd say this is fairly priced for a retinol serum, especially one that is beginner-friendly and formulated with additional ingredients like salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid. For those new to retinol, it offers a gentler introduction than many other serums on the market. When compared to other retinol products, particularly those with more potent formulas, this one stands out as an excellent option for anyone just starting out. Many retinol serums can be harsh and drying, but Innisfree has struck a balance with this formula that's both effective and skin-friendly. In terms of build quality, the product feels premium, but it's still affordable, which is a huge win in the crowded skincare market. If you've used other Korean skincare brands before, you know they typically offer high-quality formulations, and this serum is no exception. Now, as far as customer support goes, I haven't had any personal experiences with Innisfree's customer service, but they have a solid reputation for responding to inquiries and being helpful if issues arise. In terms of updates, there haven't been any major reformulations of this product, and that's something I actually appreciate. Sometimes less is more when it comes to skincare, and the formula is already doing its job. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few other gentle retinol serums that could be worth considering, especially if you're on a budget. However, given the unique combination of ingredients here, this product offers good value and is hard to beat when it comes to combining acne treatment and anti-aging benefits. So, what's the final verdict? The Innisfree Retinol Cica Serum delivers on its promise of being a gentle yet effective introduction to retinol for beginners. It hydrates, calms, and works to smooth your skin, making it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with acne, texture issues, or early signs of aging. While it may not be powerful enough for those looking for intense retinol treatments, It's a fantastic, accessible option for those easing into this active ingredient. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. Let us know what your experience has been like. Thanks again for visiting Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.